Hi, welcome again. Today I want to give you an update on my new project OpenLand mesh. Here we have a mesh and it looks, decent, a mesh. But here we have a section called in the details about subdivision. So let me put subdivision like 4. Right, so you can see, let's go from somewhere around 6. All right, now you can see we have a set of subdivision close to the camera. Then I can move the camera to these subdivisions, actually move with the camera. Actually, this is not the separate mesh, it's the same mesh, but we are subdividing differently here. So you can think as some sort of LOD here. So think this as a landscape. So here we have like a normal mesh, and close to the camera we have high poly mesh. So with that you can do anything. You can dynamically change this, you can do displacement, you can do animations, and you name it. Like you can see the frame rate currently it's close to 120. Like I can move here and there, nothing happened. And make sure this is not the final version, this is just a prototype, this is not optimized at all, and I want to test a proof of concept, and this is really working. And I can go even higher, like let's say 9 subdivisions. All right, so now it's gonna affect right now, like if you move here and there, and you can see. But of course we can improve this and we can fine tune this to get do whatever we need to do. All right, why I'm doing this? So you already know with tessellation is gone in Unreal Engine 5. We need a proper displacement, or maybe proper for making landscape and other things. So I think so that's why I started working on this project. So this could be a replacement for the whole landscape system in Unreal Engine. I don't know, like I'm trying new ideas. Like if I could make it a proper tool, I think definitely this should be a like real good solution for a landscape system and beyond that. So if you think about a little bit, so this could be much better than world partition as well. So you can have a mesh like this, infinite mesh, and you can jump anywhere you like, and you don't need to be really complicated about making things. Anyway, this is just the start. I'm happy to improve this on the next couple of days, weeks. So let's see what I can do with this. All right, see you soon with something interesting. Bye.